Here's an important way to avoid these he said, she said conversations. In other words, that's not what you said to me when we sat down and talked about this. You said something totally different. No, and it goes back and forth and no one can prove it. Well, it's simple. Document the conversation. Compile detailed notes. Include dates and any commitments that were made in those notes. Ask them to agree with and sign the completed notes so that you both agree on exactly what was said during that meeting. Include a witness, especially if the situation could be employment threatening, or if you think it could lead to being employment threatening, or if it's just a delicate situation that makes you feel uncomfortable or that you're not sure how to deal with. Maybe it's about a sticky situation, maybe it's dealing with a member of the opposite sex, or some other situation that makes you feel potentially uncomfortable. Just include a witness and you're going to de-risk that situation. Having that third party there just makes that risk melt away. Try using a coaching triad. So once you've agreed on the commits, here's the next steps. Here's what each of us is going to do once we leave the room. Ask a third person to join structured monthly or quarterly meetings. That third person or coach will assess progress and make suggestions for each party to move forward more successfully. Ideally, that coach is not directly involved in the situation, maybe from another area of the company, doesn't have a horse in that particular race, but can just be an objective outsider and give their suggestions as how to move everything forward. A coaching triad can be a really effective way to see change happen.